Words to replace the word said. One way to write more interesting essays is to avoid tired and overused words. Substituting excessively used verbs with more interesting ones can bring a boring essay to life. This is also a great way to expand your vocabulary. Now here are some words that can be used to substitute the overused word said. Answered, replied, muttered, murmured, explained, argued, denied, suggested, remarked, declared, cried, shouted, yelled, complained, whined, stated, insisted, responded, called, asked, whispered, uttered, demanded, screamed, wondered, mentioned, and pleaded. These are just a few of the words that can be used to substitute the overused word said.